Tomorrow morning, a family's court fight will resume to keep their little girl alive. A new judge in this matter is going to now begin looking at the case of Tinslee Lewis and whether a local hospital can take her off life support despite the family's opposition. Brooke Katz joining us tonight to explain the next steps in this very difficult battle. Brooke?
It really is, Doug, and we've learned that 2 medical centers are reviewing Tinslee's case, but they need more time. The nonprofit working to help her family protect Texas' fragile kids tells us Boston Children's and Omaha Children's are both looking into the case. So to bring you up to speed, Tinslee was born with a rare heart defect. She suffers from chronic lung disease and severe chronic high blood pressure. Cook Children's Hospital says they've reached out to more than 20 healthcare facilities, but none can help Tinslee, and they don't think it's in her best interest for her to stay on life support. They're invoking a Texas law giving the family 10 days notice before taking the child off life support. Tinslee's family, as you can imagine, they want to exhaust all possibilities. They've said there shouldn't be a limit on how long they can try to fight to keep their daughter alive.
It's stressful, it's scary, you don't quite know what to do, and then if you're stuck in a situation where your back's up against a wall and the only option is to, seek counsel to make sure your baby can stay alive for a little bit longer, it's a really tough position to be in.
Tinslee's family won a temporary restraining order last month, but Cook Children's was able to get that judge removed over concerns about his ability to be impartial. The situation also spotlighting that 10-day law, and critics say it impedes due process for patients and their families. So you can understand where they're coming from on that. But that hearing tomorrow gets underway starting at 9 o'clock.
We can see it, we can report on it. It's impossible for any of us to understand what it's like to be in the middle of that. 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, right?
Yep.
Okay, we'll be there.